Test. Table. Place words, numbers, or images in the correct cells in the table. Sets. Place words, numbers, or images in the correct sets. Click here if you want to create an exercise in which words, numbers, or images have to be placed in the correct cells in the table. You can select from several templates. Enter the exercise. Enter the properties by which the geometric shapes should be arranged as column and row headers. Click here to open the media library to insert videos, sounds, or images. If you do not need any headers, click here to hide them. If you leave them empty but do not hide them, you cannot save the exercise. Insert the elements from the media library into the correct places. You can resize the cells in the table if you place the mouse pointer on the boundary between the cells and drag it to change the width or height. You can also add extra items to the exercise that cannot be placed in the table. You can also add words to the exercise if you click on the plus icon. Customize the look of your exercise. Click on the objects in the upper left and right corners to change them. Save the exercise. When you drag and drop items, the cell in which you want to place the item will become darker. Click on this icon to go back to editing mode if the exercise you have saved still needs editing. Click here to lock an item as a clue for the exercise. If you do not want to save your changes, click on this icon to restore the previous state. Click here if you want to add a new exercise to your worksheet. Click here if you want to create an exercise in which you have to arrange words, numbers, or images in sets. Choose a template you like. Enter the exercise text. You can set the number of sets here. Place the mouse pointer on the boundary of a set and drag it to change its size, or drag it in the middle to change its position. Name the sets. Drag and drop images from the media library, or click on the plus icon to add text. Click here to lock an item as a clue for the exercise. Save the exercise. Click on the arrows to go to the next exercise or the previous one, or click on a number to go to that particular exercise. Click here to enter the name of the worksheet. arrange the order of the exercises, and set how many points an exercise is worth. Click on the bin icon to delete the current exercise from the worksheet if you no longer need it. Click on this icon to open worksheet settings. Select the Enable Stepping Back option to be able to go back to the previous exercises. Click on this icon to reset the worksheet to default. Click here to check your results. Insert the worksheet into your exercise book so it can be used later during the lesson or sent to students. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.